and welcome to this channel. Claude 3.5 Sonnet developed by Anthropic, officially open for public use. Claude has many versions. For example, Claude 3.5 and Claude 3 Sonnet. So today's upgraded version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, his performance and analytical capabilities have been dramatically improved. It is said, his performance matches the ChatGPT, so then I will take you to analyze it. How to use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet for free? Let's get to know it first. Where is the official website of Claude 3.5 Sonnet? You enter the URL in your browser. If you enter the official website, you can see this interface. It means that you have a chance to use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Then you can use your own email to register and log in. When you see such an interface, it means your phone needs to receive a verification code to proceed. Click this drop-down list. You can see it supports many countries or regions. This approach, as soon as your phone gets the verification code and passes that, you're ready to use Claude 3.5. Next, I'm sharing too. Don't need cell phone verification code. You can also use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet method. The first way to use it is by installing the Monica plugin. When you successfully register and enter the site, you'll see this Monica website. Claude 3.5 Sonnet has been added to the interface. This website, also a collection of many famous large models. For your use, you can use my invitation link below. Make a registration. If you encounter a payment prompt, just choose to skip. At the same time, you can invite others to register. What about this Monica? You can find me another film on this channel. It specifically tells how Monica uses and gets her own invitation link. The more friends you invite to register, you will get more access yourself. For example, I am here. Be a free user. By completing the invitation activity, it is already possible to use multiple large models without restriction. So what's next? I'll take you to practice this Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the powerful function of the first example. I want him. Using this JavaScript, HTML. Come and help me write one. Code similar to FC Tank Battle game. What about this game? You can use the browser. Search his related information. The picture of the game is something like this. So, let's ask him in English. He quickly gave the code. Let's see how he responds. This is an application that uses HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Realize the simple tank game. All the code is contained in one HTML. You can run it directly using the browser. So what's next? Gives this game some related information and operation. Let's see how he replied. The game functions include the following: two movable and rotating tanks. That tank can fire bullets. Then the red tank uses the WASD of the keyboard to move. Space bar to shoot. What about the blue tank? You can use the up, down, left and right arrow keys of the keyboard to move. Use the enter key to shoot. He said this is a web-based game, and it can run independently, and no additional files and settings are needed. Then let's copy these codes. Then create a new file directly. Paste the code down. Change the file name to HTML. Use the browser directly to run. See this picture? Click on your keyboard. You can move this tank up and down, left and right. Press press the Enter key to shoot. What about this red tank? Use WASD of keyboard to move. Then use the space bar to shoot. Next, the second example, I asked him to write another code. Use this JavaScript and HTML as well. Help me write one, similar to the code of Sonic Boy. What about this game? You can search in the browser. The game screen looks something like this, similar to an adventure game with collision. See if he can give the code and run it. I also asked him in English. Refresh this page. Again, he gave the answer quickly. Okay, he's finished generating. Let's see how he replied. I will create a simple HTML file. It contains, similar to the basic game code of Sonic Boy. Take a look at the contents of other replies. A simple game is created in this code. These include, you can control a blue box that can jump. On behalf of players, there is also a red square, represents an obstacle. Players must jump over these red obstacles. To avoid collisions, players can jump through the spacebar. Then let's take a look at these codes. Can it run? Copy this code in the same way. Create a new file. Paste the code and save it. I changed my name to Run Boy, Hummel. Hey, it can run. Press the keyboard spacebar to jump up. Need to avoid flying obstacles. If you encounter an obstacle, Game Over will be displayed. Below, I will share it. Another, you can use this Claude 3.5 Sonnet method for free. And you can also use GPT-SIL for free. Enter this URL on the browser. Use your email to register. You can enter this website called Charity AI. Click here after entering. Or you can click on this place. You can have a new AI conversation. You will see this page. It is shown here that the function of GPT-SIL can also be used. You click it. And this place, you can choose the big model you are currently using. In addition to GPT-SIL, Llama-3 can also be used, a big model of 70 billion data. We also see here what we are going to talk about today, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. In addition, there is this big model of Gemini 1.5 Pro. Then we choose today's theme, this Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Then set a role name for it. Then save it here. So this place, it will automatically switch to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The following places can be used for AI conversation. What's next? Let me test this Claude 3.5 first. Ability to analyze pictures. I prepared a picture like this. I want to ask him, what color is the girl's clothes in this picture? You can click here. Upload your picture. Then choose your own picture. It will be displayed here after loading. Then the next step is to enter the question you want to ask. Then I'll ask it in English. Then click here to send. What about this time? He gave a quick reply. Let's see how he answers it. said, the skirt in the picture is dark red or burgundy. It seems to be a short skirt with kimono style. The skirt is very wide. The collar is white. The waist of the skirt is tightened. This skirt is elegant. As can be seen from the reply, his description of the picture is very detailed. The burgundy of clothes. What about clothes? It's a bit like Japanese kimono style. What about the waist? It's tighter. It's all described. So what's next? I once asked him a more complicated question. Take everyone to analyze it. I prepared a picture like this. This is a picture of a bone fracture. And you can see. What about this? It should be a picture of an animal after its fracture. There is a tail behind it. So this is not human. See if it can be analyzed. We also upload this picture here. So after uploading, just ask him such a question. Please help me analyze it. What is the content of this picture? And analyze in detail what kind of state it is. How to do it? Then let's ask him in English. What happened after it was sent here? From here, we can show the content of our questions. The content of his reply is displayed here. Let's see how he replied. He said this picture. It's an X-ray photograph between the pelvic region and the upper limb. You can see that it's a dog or something like a quadruped. You can see from this point, this Claude 3.5 Sonnet's powerful ability to analyze pictures. Just a picture. You can analyze that the picture is a quadruped, not humans. Then he said, the most striking feature is that metal implant on the left femur. We can see there is a metal-like bracket in this place. Some information about this implanted object is also described here. It seems to be a bone plate with multiple screws. Usually, it is used to repair bone fractures. It is also described here. This X-ray photograph represents a very important orthopedic intervention, probably after a serious fracture. So what's the point now? Appropriate healing is carried out, pain control, and under the close supervision of veterinarians, gradually return to normal function. So English speaking, you can also look at its reply here. It is obvious that only one picture is needed. This Claude 3.5 Sonnet can be analyzed in detail and answer your questions carefully. You can also see its analytical ability and response speed. You can compete with GPT slow. So how does this website increase your points? It's actually very simple. As a free user, you can click here to check in every day. He will increase your score by 1,000 points. So today, about how to use this big model of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, have an AI conversation. That's it for now. If you like what I explained, you can like to subscribe to this channel. I will also bring more knowledge about AI and computer technology. Share it with everyone. Thank you all.